Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur, and it's cold and windy out, but this is a good-looking RV, a 312 BHTS. It's a reflection by Grand Design, and I hope it's not, the wind isn't playing hell with the microphone. It's cold out, so we're going to go through this pretty quick, but there's a lot of goodies I want to show you real quick. Check out this outdoor kitchen. If it's raining, drizzling, you can take care of business. And nice deep cabinets here. Nice sized refrigerator, griddle, drawer for your goodies, as well as a griddle and a sink. I think I mentioned the griddle twice. I want to show you these slides on the off-camp side. 2 slides, and unique in the fact that one is farther out, deeper than the other. Give you some information here, some vitals. And then we got the pass-through storage with your water station. But let's get in out of this wind, and I can't really say get away from the cold because it's cold inside these as well. There's the 312 BHTS badging. And we'll get in. Woo! It's cold, but it's warm in here. Check this out. This is a really nice floor plan. I really like this. We have a nice dining area. You've got your theater style size seats. You got a little planning station here. Flat screen TV, fireplace, 3-burner cooktop, microwave oven, French doors on your refrigerator and your freezer, another planning station with more cabinets. And then we have the bunkhouse, really a nice bunkhouse. We have a couch. Naturally, this folds up so you can sit there and plenty of headroom. You got additional bunk space. You have drawers. That is your stairway to heaven, and there's your bunk bed on top. Nice deep cabinet here, and you can set up a flat screen TV if the kids are into gaming or watching movies. Your center island. We'll slide our way back towards the bathroom. So we have pocket doors on the bathroom and a nice size shower enclosure. Cabinet above the commode. That'd be a good title for a song, Cabinet Above the Commode. I don't know what the hell kind of music it would be, but let's check out this cabinet here. We have 2 drawers. Nice deep cabinet here. Hang up clothes. So what I really like about this, you have your cabinet here with hang up clothes, and then you have another deep cabinet on both sides of the bed. So you have plenty of space for your hang-up clothes. You have cabinets above. So this RV has plenty of cabinet space. And here's your other, I called it a pocket door, really just a sliding door, but it's kind of reminds me of a pocket door. So leave a comment below, give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. I want to give a shout out to Aaron. I greatly appreciate your support, Aaron. You're Johnny on the spot. Every video I post, you make a comment, and I'm very grateful for that. I know you're trying to help me grow the channel, and I'm grateful for it. So that refrigerator has a beer in there for you, but my hands are numb and I can't open it. Thanks again. Have a great day, and I'll catch you on the next video.